welcome back to my vlog. As you guys can tell, I just woke up. Right now you can hear my voice, it sounds like I just woke up. Anyway, I'm just gonna show you guys a relaxing day of my day, how I spend my time at home and how I spend my morning. I usually wake up between 6 to 7. Actually, it's Saturday, so I want to sleep in till 7 o'clock, but my body just kept waking up, so I just woke up. So let's start my day. Definitely I start my day with a cup of coffee. I put a bit of almond milk. I also journal with my coffee, and this is today's topic. What can I do to make myself feel happy? And I just got a scoop of protein powder for my gym session. Boom, I finished. I'm enjoying my protein powder. Yeah, I'm waiting for the bus. After working out, I quickly took a shower. It just took about 5 minutes. I just want to share my current skincare routine. I think that's gonna be fun. So I start with my skincare with this mist, Amino Ampoule Mist from Cell. I got this product when I was one of supporters for this brand, so I just applied this one like this. I just love the feel of it, so I really like this for summer. I opened the window, sorry, so it's gonna be a bit noisy outside, especially kids are playing, because that part there is a playground. Anyway, after that I applied this serum from Cell. I have a lot of serums, so it's one of them. So it has like a vitamin B. I don't know what the benefits of this vitamin, but I really need serum because I use lotion and other moisturizer, but I feel like that's not enough, so it makes the whole products more moisturizing. So I apply this one. It's not really like sticky type of serums. I love it because I really don't like the sticky feel of some serums. I'm going to apply this Skin 17 퓨리모이스트 lotion. I shared the review of the products before in Korean. I really like this product. It has like a big ingredient inside of it, and it's really like moisturizing and easy to wear. I feel like it's really good for oily skin, although I'm not, because it doesn't have like a oily feel to it. So, and the lotion is very moisturizing, so I really like it. I apply a lot of this lotion. And then I finish up my skincare, especially in the morning, this Skin 79 퓨리모이스트 cream. You guys can tell these are the set. The cream is really like lightweight, so that's the reason why I apply serum before, because I feel like it's not enough for my skin. I mean, in terms of hydration, because it doesn't have any like oil ingredient inside of this. I also want to apply some of the products onto my neck. What was I talking? Yeah, so I feel like it doesn't keep the moisture going on. Doesn't make sense, but I just like the feel of it because it feels like a aloe gel, so I think the texture is really suitable before summer. Yeah, so it completes my skincare. Actually, I don't wear glasses. I'm literally blind, so I need to wear it to check. Voila, I'm wearing my glasses. Anyway, I also have some products I want to share with you guys. This foam cleanser. I haven't opened this one yet. I got this packaging yesterday literally, so I really want to just open it and how does it look like. So that's just gonna plan. I don't want to wear contact lenses again, so sorry about my appearance. I don't know, it's quite weird to like saying sorry about my appearance because it's just reality. There you go. Oh, so this brand, which is called Sensible, they make solid type of cleansers, so I really want to try because I never tried this type of cleanser. They sent me a lot of testers like this. I think Glossy sell this kind of solid cleansers, so excited to try. And I don't know what it is. Let's open this one. Oh, it's a foam cleanser, very pretty pink one, and the other one is blue one. Let's unbox it. Let's open it. Oh, so they have like a 3 products inside of it. This is called Everyday Foam Cake. Foam cake should be cute. And this is called Foam Cake Basic Basil. Yeah, I think it has like a basil ingredient. Right. Like this. The smell is so good. I really want to try. It smells like the laundry detergent. I really like the smell of it. I really want to try. Then night, because I already washed my face and put all the skincare products. And this one is, what ingredients does it have? It is called Foam Cake Basic Peony. I don't know what peony is. Let me open this one. Oh, it looks the same, but the smell is different. It smells like flower. It has like a flowery scent. So definitely the ingredients are different. I really want to try. I'm gonna share my reviews and about the products on my Instagram. And I also think make a video on my YouTube. So stay tuned if you're interested in. And I'm getting hungry, so I need some food. And I'm getting back. I'm going to take a walk, so I'm going to bring you guys with my walk. I love walking, so that's my plan. So I quickly changed my shorts for my walking, so I'm ready to head out. So right now I'm having a walk. Sometimes I come across some stray cats, but this is there are not many cats, so that's kind of sad. But literally, I'm having fun. So I finally came back home. I show you guys what I normally do for having a relaxing day. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. And comment down below if you guys like this type of lifestyle content. I had a lot of fun filming. Anyway, I'm just gonna edit a video for 1 hour and I might read some books. And I have a challenge for myself, reading a book a week. So I will let you know how that's going. I'm currently reading a book. I popped that photo here because I forgot the name of the book. Because I really want to improve my knowledge about finance. So that's what I'm doing. I want to get more knowledge about investment and finance and trading, those kind of stuff. So I start reading again. I think reading is one of the best ways to learn, and I feel really good after finishing books. So reading books makes me feel better. Yeah, so hope you guys like this video. Whenever I have done plans on the weekend, this is the way how I spend my time alone. So I hope you enjoyed it. Anyway, thanks for watching it again, and I'm heading out to edit a video. And don't forget to subscribe my channel and also hit the like button if you like this video. Thanks for watching again, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.